Well, hello and welcome to another episode of This Old Lawnmower. Today we're getting an old lawnmower tractor fired up. Let's check it out. So, we'll just push all these nice tractors out of the way. And we're going to get this Murray. Oh, Murray. Well, at least we know we don't have to name this lawnmower. It's got the 12-horse Briggs & Stratton. Looks like the industrial. For professional and long-lasting reliability. It does have electric start, so we're going to get a battery. And we're going to figure it out as we go. This blade control, I'm assuming that just engages a belt like a clutch. And yeah, it needs a little cleanup, but apparently it does work. So that's our project for today. I'm just going to get some things out of the way here. And we'll get old Murray up and running. There we go, it even rolls. Yeah, now we can see what we're dealing with here. Oh, it's still got the guard on it. Oh, this should be great. I wonder what year it's got a headlight? I'm gonna do so much night mowing. So, still got the keys there, throttle, cutting height, okay. And how many speeds? 5-speed tranny. Doesn't look too bad. Oh, here we go. That's what I was looking for. So this is a 305-77X 31B. Date. The date code is 10. Now is that 2010? I don't know. Hopefully we can run these numbers online and it'll tell us. Made in Jackson, Tennessee. Spark plug boot's got a little rip in it. That might work just fine. Some electrician's tape might just fix that. Let's pop that off just to see. Yeah, it should be okay. The spark plug tip is loose. Sorry, the connector's loose. Let's try and get that on. Now we got a custom fuel valve. Oh yeah, looks actually works on and off. Look at all the fittings. That's good. I can tell. A plumber and electrician has been working on this. I wonder who that could be. But it works. Zip tied on, it's solid. It's not one of those plastic valves, so it's probably better than it was on there. And then underneath, there we go. We got stuff happening underneath. Notice this tire is flat. That one's got air in it. I wonder what the fuel tank smells like. Kerosene, or it's still got fuel in it. Anybody got a match? We could check the level. The gas actually doesn't smell that bad. I bet you this will start in that fuel. And if you notice, there's no manual start. There's only electric start. So let's see if we got some oil. Clean oil. Wow. We just could use a drop. We're on a bit of an angle, but maybe I'll put it on a little more of a level surface here and we'll recheck it. But it's the seat. We can adjust the distance. We're probably going to put that back quite a ways. Somebody's disabled the seat sensor. That's okay. Okay with that. So let's get a battery and let's see if we can get this old girl to fire up. Okay, let's see if we can get Murray the medium-sized mower going here. Got a battery. I'm going to turn on the fuel. I think it's got enough oil to get us going. Let's crack that baby open. Doesn't need to be too much. We'll get her running and we'll fill up this tire up at the old shop. All right, let's see if it starts. Post your comments below. Oh, this is a bit of a tight fit on me. Post your comments below if you think this is going to fire up right away. Full choke. Brake is on. Starter. Well, I think Murray's ready for action here. We got him oiled up, tired up. Check the blade's good. It's probably recently been replaced. I think there were some issues with this, with somebody hitting a rock, so I think it has a new blade on it. A little bit of fluid film here just to, the grease, you can't grease up the steering joints and stuff like that, so I hit him with fluid film. And some of the mechanical gear change things and that hit with fluid film as well. Just to keep old Murray happy here, but I think this might be a decent little mower. We'll see. I'm going to put him to the test right now in this 33-degree heat we're supposed to be having in Nanaimo today. And we'll see how Murray does. Yeah, I'd say the old Murray didn't do too badly. Other than needing just a little pressure wash, I think she's ready to rock for probably a while. No issues. Other than when I want to select reverse gear, it'll just sit there trying to engage. I don't know what the setup's like there, if it engages the gear or who knows, an idler. I've not even looked underneath. What I do know is it has a Spicer differential, so I might have to look that up. But based on the model number we found on the rear there and all that stuff, we'll be able to find an owner's manual and go through it, and a service manual. But so far so good. Old Murray, the mower is on the grass, and it's on the grass hard. Thanks for watching.